All right, let me just say thank you. Thank you. So thank you. Wait for it. You're welcome. Don't forget to save the contact as Bajimo automated. So I'm going to show you how to do it in the next 1 minute. All right, there is a course I'm actually selling. Let me assume that the person has bought the course. There is a link that I generated using word.link. So those that know about word.link would know more. Word.link is actually a site where you just put your number and put a link. In that link you are going to type what you want the person to see in the link after clicking the link. All right, so let me assume somebody have bought the course, and after buying from seller, he clicks this link. My seller account is not working. I will have showed you the seller and everything, but it's not working. Seller is not going. I don't know why. Maybe because of my network. All right, I know I'm too fast. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm just trying to be very fast in this video. So if you like my content, just make sure you subscribe and like the video. All right, so let me assume this is what the person have seen, and he now clicks enter. So you will just wait for it. It's going to just wait for it. Let me see. Automatically generated a response from, and it is written up the auto reply. Even though you are not online, you are not there to respond to people, it's going to automatically respond to them. So let us read what it has written. He said I should save the contact as Gbajumo. All right, so after saving the contact, you can see after saving the contact, kindly reply with the word GBM. Reply with the word GBM. There is an instruction. So the person is asked to reply with GBM, then so that it's going to get the course link. Only GBM. Remember to reply GBM without adding any word. So GBM according to the instruction. So let me type GBM then see the response. My network is a bit slow. Okay, don't let me pause anything so you see it live. You can see. Wonderful. Access the link will be dropped here in 30 minutes. Thank you for purchasing. Click on the link below, then join the WhatsApp group. All right, so this is it automatically. You're not there. Somebody is just helping you automatically. AI is helping you do it. All right, let me just say thank you. Thank you. So thank you. Wait for it. You're welcome. Don't forget to save the contact as Bajimo automated. So I'm going to show you how to do it in the next 1 minute. All right, so just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video as well. Then if you have any question, go to the comment section and drop your comment. So I'm going to teach you. Just wait. This app, if I show you the app, and then you quickly exit the video and go and download the app. Some of these app are paid one. Once you download it, you'll be asked to pay per month or per year. So it's better you listen to me so that I will take you through how you are going to access the app. All right, that being said, if you are interested in the course, I'll drop it in the comment section so that you can buy the course. It's actually a digital marketing course. There are 350 courses inside it, downloadable courses, Facebook ads, video courses that you can resell and also make money from this. Some of these courses are the one you see on Facebook that will advertise, buy a course 1,000 naira that you buy. So you can also buy it and resell. There are 350 courses there that you can buy and resell. You can buy one and resell one. So you can buy everything and you resell on 1,000 naira. So if you are interested, go to the comment section and get the link, or go to the description section. I'll drop it there. All right, so let us go right into the. I know I'm very, very fast. I'm actually excited, though it took me time to set this up. It took me hours setting this up because I was, So let me just take you there. Let's go to Play Store and download the app. So when you get to WhatsApp, you can see where it says WhatsApp Auto Reply or WhatsApp Auto Responder. Those are the two apps we need. WhatsApp Auto Reply and WhatsApp Auto Responder. Those are the two. So let's go to WhatsApp Auto Reply. So you need this WhatsApp Auto Reply. This other one down here. The other one, this one here, the one I circled is the one that you are going to use. So after you've downloaded it, you are going to click on Open. So once you click on Open, you get here to take you down here. You should see something like sign up or sign in around here. Instead of me having my login, you should be sign up, free account. So then you can come to the home page again. You can come to supported apps. Then you allow the two apps that you need. Either you want it on WhatsApp, Facebook, even though you want it on Instagram as well. It will happen on Instagram. You can see, that's why I love this app. You can do it on multiple apps. Then aside that, you come to contact. If you want it for everyone or you want it for a particular people or new contact, you know that the contact you'll be having should be new contact. It should not be my contact list. So you just set the autoresponder the way you want it. Then you come to statistics. These are the replies that I've gotten. So let us go to the settings, how you can set it. So for the settings, you are coming to custom reply. This is what you need, custom reply. Leave the other ones. Go to custom reply. once you click on custom reply, you can see you have to turn it on. So if you turn it on, it might take you to your settings. Then you have to go and do some. You just you just have to give it permission. You have to give it permission. Once you come here, then you click on this plus icon downward. There is a plus icon downward. So click on the plus icon. Let me click on this plus icon. You can see that I'm in a plus icon. Then you type what you need here. This is what you type. Let me type I miss you. I miss you. So then my reply would be what? I miss you too. So this is my reply, you too. Then you have to let the person know. You can put the person name also, or last name, and all the rest of it. Then if you leave this one alone, we are going to talk about this one later. Then you have to pick either exact word. If the person asks I miss you, or the person said I miss you, then the person put your name. But you can use either of these two, but I advise you use contains. Use contains, so that either the person write a long message but it contains I miss you. There's going to be a reply like this. Then that's what you are going to. Then you click on this mark sign up here. So you click on the mark sign, then it has been done. Let's go to WhatsApp and type I miss you. All right, so I've already typed I miss you. Let's see the magic of autoresponder. Let's see how it's going to work. My network is a bit slow. Just wait for it. Okay, let me pause. All right, so hopefully let's wait for it to go now, Baba. You can see I miss you too. That's my contact. So there are many things you can do. These are just short messages and the rest of it. There's another app I will show you, but this one is actually a paid option, but you can get the app for free. If you want to get the app, you can just come to my DM. It's very cheap actually. So this is the app. It's called Autoresponder. This is a very, very cool one as well. This one, in case you want to put your messages in sections, like let me show you example of what I meant. So like the disadvantages of using this other one is that you can see these messages now. This message, I'm supposed to have these messages in like different categories. Like a message you first send, then now maybe after a seconds this other one will send, but I have to carry everything. I have to put all the messages in one content. You can say I have to put it in one container before I can send it. So but this other one will be able to help you add like series of messages in different sections. There was one. Let me show you something. You can see the section of this thank you. Let me type thank you again so you see what I meant. Thank you. So let's wait for it so you see what I'm actually. So you can see you are welcome. This you are welcome is actually after 1 second. The other one, don't forget to save my contact, drop after 8 seconds. I can let it drop after 3 seconds. So that's the advantages of having this other one. And this other one also has its own features. Let me go to the app and show you some of the features. You can use AI, artificial intelligence. That's using ChatGPT to respond to your chats. So you can, let me click on the plus icon, almost the same thing as the other one. You can see similar words. Let me just say I miss you. Then you can put the reply here. If you have multiple replies, you just click on the plus icon to put multiple replies. Then you can put conditions. This one you can put conditions, individual or for group. Let me put for individual. Then we have conditions. You can see the conditions here. Reply after the person. Maybe you can see reply only on specific time and delays, and so on and so forth. So if you like my content, I know you will like it. Anyways, you need WhatsApp automation for your business. If you want to get this one, you can reach out to me. It's actually a premium version. So make sure you like the content and also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing more updates like this. I know it's not easy. Making videos and posting videos is not always easy. So make sure you like the content and also subscribe. All right, see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.